Welcome, 3004 Calle Obispo, this beautiful townhouse. Welcome to my open house, please. Let me show you a few things around. What an entrance. Check this out. Check. Beautiful, look at this door. Beautiful. Right there, right behind you is the bedroom. But let me show you something that's coming up real quick. Let me show you this. Take a look at this kitchen. Look at those lights. Get the lights. Teardrops of joys. Amazing. Open floor. See, we'll go here. Hey guys, come here. Are you ready for this? Master bedroom, door to go outside, but this is the beautiful thing. Go ahead and show them. What a bathroom, amazing. Beautifully done. Well, I haven't let y'all down, so let's keep looking. Check out this other bathroom. Such a modern house. Let's keep looking. Got another bedroom. So you got 3 bedrooms total, 2 bathrooms. Here's your wash and dryer hookup. You could go gas, you could go electric. Folding table. Get to all the clothes on your table. Nice and neat. Let me show you something else. Garage. Finished floor. Backyard access right through that door. And your mechanicals are in here. Check this out. Tankless water heater. That is the end of the tour. But guys, if this is not the house for you or it is for you, let us know. We're here to help you. We got access to the MLS so we can look into any house that you like. Also, Mr. Burks, the one's helping us this morning, he's willing to help you too. So please give us a call. Let us help you.